Hello. So I'm going to be trying out a new recipe from a cookbook, and I haven't used this cookbook yet and I'm really excited to try it, and it's Bubbe and Me in the kitchen. So I found this recipe in here that's for a tomato soup, and my husband really wanted me to make it, so I'm going to be making that tonight. I'm going to make it a little bit of a bisque. I will be adding cream to it, mainly because I just don't like regular tomato soup, but I like tomato bisque. And I'm going to be serving it with some bow tie pasta and pesto. So the recipe is roasted tomato soup on page 124. Okay, so the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of olive oil, so this is in a stock pot or a Dutch oven. I don't have either, so I'm going to be using my Instapot. It's not an actual Instapot, it's a different brand. It's a wedding present. Okay, so we're gonna set it to saute. Perfect. So I have it set to saute, so we wanna do the olive oil, onion, carrot, celery, and then add the garlic. So we're gonna do 1 large onion, next we have the carrot and celery. So we're going to wash these, I'm going to peel them, and then I'm going to chop them. We're gonna wash this and I'll be right back. And lastly, 3 garlic cloves, chopped. So the first part is done. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add the olive oil. Let that warm up for a minute. Then we're going to add the onions, the carrots, and the celery. We're going to saute that for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we're going to add the garlic and saute for another about 1 minute. I'm gonna add the garlic in here. So now that that's been like that, we're gonna do the can of tomatoes with their juice and everything. well as 2 cups of vegetable stock. We're going to get this to a boil. So this should be ready, and what we're going to do is we are going to ladle everything into the blender.